First question begins, the Philadelphia Eagles claim that 20% of their fans who attend their games are under the age of 18. That's going to be our population P, 0.20 for 20%. A random sample of 200 fans, that's going to be our N, at a recent game is sampled. What's the probability that more than 17% of them are under 18? So P hat is going to be our proportion from the sample, or probability from the sample, which is 0.17. We now can set up the z-score. Z equals the P hat, 0.17, minus the population P, 0.20, divided by the root of the population P, 0.20, times 1 minus that population P, all over the N of 200. I then put the z-score into my calculator, parentheses, 0.17 minus 0.20, N parentheses, divided by parentheses, making sure that everything's happening under the root, 0.20, 1 minus 0.20, all divided by 200. When I put all this into my calculator, I get a z-score of negative 1.06. I then have to go to my table. When I look up from the negative side, 1.06, I get a p-value of 0.1446. If this had been a less than question, I could stop there. Because it says more than, I have to take 1 minus the table value. 1 minus 0.1446 gives me 0.8554. For number 8, it starts out, a local pizza shop claims that 41% of the pizzas ordered in the shop include pepperoni as a topping. If we randomly select 95 pizza orders, what's the probability that no less than 40% have pepperoni as a topping? So the one that comes from the whole population that they gave us is P equals 0.41. The number of pizzas we'll be sampling is N equals 95, and we're looking to see if the sample value is no less than, or in other words, more than 40% or 0.40. So our z-score starts off with that sample value, 0.40, minus the population value, 0.41, over the root of the population value, 0.41, times 1 minus 0.41, all over the N of 95. Again, I'm going to put that into my calculator. Parentheses, 0.40 minus 0.41, and parentheses divided by new parentheses, root with a new parentheses underneath, 0.41, 1 minus 0.41, divided by 95, again making sure that all of that is happening under the root. When I get a z-score for that, I get a z-score of negative 0.198, which I'm going to call negative 0.20. I go to my table, I look up negative 0.20, and it gives me a p-value of 0.4207. Last step, because it says no less than, I need to recognize that as more than, which means that I take 1 minus my table value of 0.4207. That gives me my final answer of 0.5793.